If you've ever stepped onto your boat ready to enjoy your favorite music, only to realize your speakers have taken a beating from water, salt spray, or harsh sunlight, you know how frustrating that can be. Marine speakers aren't cheap, and replacing them because of environmental damage can get expensive fast. In this review, you'll discover a simple solution that helps protect your speakers and extend their lifespan. Stay with me to the end to see whether these marine speaker covers are actually worth it. And before we start, make sure you subscribe for more helpful reviews like this, and check the links in the description to find the best deals on these marine speakers. After using these marine speaker covers for a while, one thing becomes clear very quickly. They're designed specifically for the harsh realities of marine environments. When you're out on the water, speakers are constantly exposed to moisture, UV rays, and salt in the air. These covers do a surprisingly good job of acting like a protective shield. The material is flexible marine-grade silicone, and it feels tough without being stiff. When you stretch them over the speakers, they fit snugly and stay in place, even when the boat is moving. What I personally like is the ribbed design, which helps trapped moisture escape rather than sealing it in. That's important because moisture buildup is one of the biggest causes of speaker damage over time. Another thing you'll appreciate is the range of sizes available. These covers come in 6.5 inch, 7.7 inch, 8.5 inch, 8.8 inch, and 10 inch options, which means you can match them to most marine speaker setups without any hassle. What really makes these covers stand out is the combination of durability and simplicity. The military-grade protective coating and UV-resistant silicone make them feel like something built specifically for long-term outdoor use. Instead of worrying about sun damage or water exposure, every time you dock the boat, you can simply slip these on and know your speakers are protected. If you regularly leave your boat docked, store it outdoors, or spend long days on the water, these covers make a lot of sense. They're especially helpful if you've invested in quality marine speakers and want them to last season after season without losing sound quality. Overall, these marine speaker covers are a simple but effective way to protect your audio setup on the water. If you want to keep your speakers safe from sun, dust, and moisture while extending their lifespan, they're definitely worth considering. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and helpful audio tips. Also, check the links in the description to find the best deals on these speaker covers, and drop a comment below letting me know what you think about them or if you're already using them on your boat. Your experience might help someone else make the right choice. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video in a few days.